Jakarta, Indonesia. An official says rain-triggered landslides and floods have killed 11 villagers on Indonesia's main island of Java. National Disaster Mitigation Agency spokesman Sutopo Purwo Nugroho says 9 people were buried by landslides before dawn Tuesday in 2 villages in the East Java district of Pacitan. Sutopo says 2 other people drowned in floods that inundated thousands of houses in 13 villages in the same district. He said torrential rain since Monday has caused rivers in the area to overflow their banks. Seasonal rains cause frequent floods in Indonesia, where many of the 260 million people live in mountainous areas or fertile, flood-prone plains near rivers.